Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of UnitedHealth Group, a leader in the healthcare industry. We'll explore their impressive third-quarter performance, discuss the impacts of recent challenges, and uncover what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis of UnitedHealth's strategic direction and market position. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
UnitedHealth Group reported strong third-quarter 2024 results with revenues of $100.8 billion, an increase of $8.4 billion year-over-year. The company experienced growth in both UnitedHealthcare and Optum segments. Despite facing cyberattack impacts, UnitedHealth maintained robust cash flows and returned $9.6 billion to shareholders. The company continues to focus on innovative healthcare solutions and strategic growth initiatives.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the third quarter of 2024 was $100.8 billion, which represents an increase of $8.5 billion compared to the same period last year. The previous quarter's revenue was not explicitly mentioned for comparison.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP EPS for the third quarter of 2024 was $6.51, compared to $6.24 in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted EPS was $7.15, compared to $6.56 in the same period last year. The previous quarter's EPS figures were not provided for comparison.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
UnitedHealthcare's third-quarter revenues increased by $5 billion to $74.9 billion, driven by domestic growth. Optum's revenues grew by $7.2 billion to $63.9 billion, with significant contributions from Optum Health and Optum Rx. Both segments showed strong year-over-year growth.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points include total assets of $299.3 billion, with cash and short-term investments of $37.1 billion. Total liabilities were $101.6 billion, and equity was $99.9 billion.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points include cash flows from operating activities of $21.8 billion, cash flows used for investing activities of $19.4 billion, and cash flows from financing activities of $4.8 billion.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Operating activities generated $21.8 billion, reflecting strong cash flow. Investing activities used $19.4 billion, primarily for acquisitions and cyberattack-related loans. Financing activities provided $4.8 billion, with significant debt issuance offsetting share repurchases and dividends.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The report highlights UnitedHealth's focus on expanding value-based care offerings and enhancing clinical support across various care sites, including in-home and clinics. The company also emphasized its outreach efforts to support Medicaid eligibility redeterminations.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks include cyberattacks, regulatory changes, competitive pressures, and challenges related to public sector contracts and strategic transactions.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company provided a full year 2024 adjusted net earnings outlook of $27.50 to $27.75 per share, maintaining its previous range despite business disruption impacts.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
UnitedHealth Group demonstrated strong financial performance with significant revenue growth and effective management of cyberattack impacts. The company's strategic focus on expanding healthcare offerings and maintaining operational efficiency positions it well for future growth.
That's all for today's analysis of UnitedHealth Group's impressive third-quarter performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think UnitedHealth is a strong investment opportunity. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.